Happy birthday, RJ! Hi! Kumusta? Hope you're happy on your birthday and wish you all the best on your career. God bless and be happy always. That's it.
Hi boss! Happy birthday! May this birthday of yours brings you a lot of abundance and blessings in life at sana lagi mo nang ubusin yung pagkain mo. Yun lang. Sa pantry.
Hello, Boss RJ. Happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come. And sana maging successful pa yung career mo. I know you're already successful, but I'd like more happiness or more success pa in your life. Yun lang. Thank you.
Panjobi, yung dito. Happy birthday, boss. Yun lang. Bye.
Hi Jojo, happy birthday. Stay sexy at saka sana kumain ka ng gulay. Sige. Happy birthday ulit.
Go!
Happy birthday, RJ!
OJ, wish you good health.
Success in your career.
And ano daw, stronger love life.
Happy birthday ulit!
Joy, happy birthday! We're so happy sa birthday mo. And sana mag-enjoy ka rin. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy birthday!
Birthday happy! Charot! O yun lang, wala. Happy birthday and punta ka sa Sunday. Akin, super sexy ka na, kaya bigyan mo naman sana ako kasi kailangan ko yun ngayon. Charot, pero happy birthday. You're super blessed. Nasa'yo na lahat. Nasa'yo na ang lahat. Pero happy birthday. Yun lang.
Hi, Boss RJ. Happy birthday. I would like to personally thank you because as part of our as our engagement manager, you always think of ways on how we can be happy with the things that we are doing here in the office, especially with our work right now. We know it's stressful, but you always think of things on how it could be easier for us. And again, happy birthday. Wish you good health, happy love life, and happy birthday.
Hi, Boss RJ. Happy birthday. I know you almost have everything na in your life. You know, you have a very loving family and especially your family here in Del Performance. Tapos, you have a lot of friends pa, you know, everyone loves you and because of your kindness and you being kind-hearted. Siguro ma-wish ko lang sa'yo is yung safety mo on an everyday basis and alam ko may dapat kang makuha and you deserve that. Sana makuha mo na yung bagay na sinasabi ko. Pero happy birthday. God bless you always.
Game.
Joy, happy birthday. Ilang taon ka na? 29? Charot. Wish ko sa'yo, kumapit ka lang. Alam mo na marami kaming friends para sa'yo. So, dead na ka na lang sa mga sinasabi ng iba. We're here always. Ano pa bang wish ko? Sana matikman mo na friend. Ang tagal na namin inantayan, hindi mo ma-enjoy yung life mo, mga birthdays mo pag hindi mo pa siyang tikman. Ha? Yun lang. You always treasured with a lot of friends. So, don't worry, nandito lang kami parati for you. Happy birthday!
3. Bebang! Birthday mo na pala. Hindi mo naman ako in-inform. Charot lang. Alam ko stressful lately kasi hindi ikaw dahil yung mga taong sa paligid mo dahil sa pagkatanggal ng ipin mo. Thank you sa nakakatawang pangyayari dahil tinanggal mo yung yung mask mo para mapatawa ako. Thank you. Wish ko lang tulad ng nasabi ni Mayo sa mga susunod na video or nakaraang video, sana daw matikman mo na. Sana daw matikman mo na. Thank you sa lahat. Especially sa pagtatanggol sa akin palagi. Tanggol talaga. Tapos, ano pa ba? Thank you sa drama. And ayun, thank you. And I wish you English na! I wish you good health and good perfect tooth. Kasi pagkakawala ng ngipin mo. And happy birthday. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, RJ.
Go.
Thank you for coming today. RJ, how are you?
Happy birthday. Be, ano na? Saan ang painom? Ano na? Tapos na. Personalized pa. Bakit nasaan ka? Dumudugo pa ba yung ginagin mo? Huli ka na dito. Painom ka na. That's all. Thank you.
Happy birthday! Joy Joy!
Okay na.
Hi RJ, happy birthday! Wish you all the happiness and more love life to come. No matter what happens, I will always be there for you. Alam mo yan. I love you.
Action.
Hi, happy birthday RJ. I wish you all the best in life and stay sexy. If you need anything, I'm always here. Kisses, bye!
Happy birthday, B! Salamat sa lahat and huwag ka masyado ma-stress sa work. Pahipahinga din pag may time. Pwede matulog, wala ka ng mata kasi. Yun lang, salamat. Thank you.
Joy Joy! Happy birthday! Love you!
Okay. Hello RJ! Happy birthday! Happy 21 30 birthday! 30th birthday! I love you so much and you are one of the best person I've ever met in this entire life. My entire life. I love you!
Hi RJ! Happy birthday! I hope you enjoy this day and you have a blast. God bless you always because you have such a good heart, such a clear conscience. So please continue being you and don't let anybody force you to be anybody else aside from you, RJ. Stay sweet! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, RJ!
Bebang! Ay, nakiyak.
Teka lang siya.
Hello RJ! Again, happy birthday! Ilan taon na siya? Ulitin mo, ilan taon na siya?
Hi RJ! Happy birthday! I hope you have all your wishes come true and paki-edit.
Hi RJ, si Nemo to. Happy birthday and best wishes to you. And if you need any help, anything, sabihin mo lang sa akin. I'm here. Ingat lagi. Bye-bye.
Hi RJ, I'm TJ. Happy birthday. More good things to come sa buhay mo. And ingat. See you soon.
Hi RJ, ingat ka today. God bless you.